Hello, this is Tim with Highmark Communications, and today I'd like to talk about what do you do when the memory is full on your ION or EOS base station. The good news is the ION and the EOS have an identical menu, so the same procedure applies to either one of these if you need to clear the base station. So if you find the screen has gone dark here, if you press any button, it'll light up for you. At that point, press the menu button in the lower left-hand corner, and you'll see Register Headsets in the upper right-hand corner. So we're going to go ahead and press that. Now, in this case, you'll see it'll list how many headsets are registered, how many more can be registered. In this case, I have 9 headsets registered to this base, which leaves me room for 6 more. Once again, like the older EOS or the older IQ base, it remembers 15 headsets at a try. Now, the newer base station has a couple of distinct advantages. First of all, you don't have to wipe all of the memory out and re-register all the headsets. It has a clear and active function here that you can use instead. To use the clear and active function, you simply turn on all of the headsets that you currently have at your facility. At that point, press clear and active, and it's going to tell you turn on all your headsets, and then you can actually press the clear and active button right here. And what it'll do is it'll clear out all of the headsets it does not see that are on. So it'll make room for you to add additional headsets to the system without getting rid of the ones that you currently have. So at any point, if you're not sure about that process, or you want to go back and look at those, how many are registered, how many more can be registered, you just hit the back key once. It'll take you one step back in the menu. Now, if you find for whatever reason you need to clear all of the memory out, you do have a clear all button. Clear all will wipe all of the memory out, and in which case, if you do that, you will need to re-register the headsets that you currently have with the normal process. In which case, you would hit the register headset button here. You would grab the headset itself, hold down the B button on the headset, turn it on while holding the B button down, which puts the headset in registration mode. Then you would press either register single if you're just doing one, or register multi if you have a number of headsets that you want to register at one time. And then when you're done, all you have to do is hit the back to your lane status screen, and congratulations, you have successfully cleared the memory on your ION or EOS base station. Thanks, and have a great day.